In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Charles Schwab app. By the end, you'll know the most reliable way to end your session and a quick alternative if you're in a hurry. Let's start with the recommended approach, which is logging out from inside the app. Open the Schwab mobile app on your phone and make sure you're on the home screen. If you were viewing an account or a watch list, just navigate back until you see home. From there, look for the More option. It's typically found at the bottom right of the screen, and it may appear as the word More or as an icon with 3 dots. Tap that, and in the menu that appears, tap Log Out. That's it. According to Schwab's official guidance, going to the home screen, tapping More, and then tapping Log Out is the proper way to end your session. Why is this the recommended method? Because it clearly tells the app to close your session and disconnect any active activity tied to your account on that device. It's the most secure and predictable option, especially if you're on a shared phone or just want peace of mind. After you tap Log Out, you should land on the sign-in screen. If you don't see it immediately, give the app a moment to finish the process before you put your phone away. There's also a second method if you need to move quickly. Close the app completely. This means fully quitting it, not just switching to another app. Use your phone's app switcher to remove Schwab Mobile so it's no longer running, then return to your phone's home screen. Schwab notes that this will also log you out. It's convenient, but the in-app logout button is still the more secure choice because it deliberately ends your session. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you can't find the More option, look for a menu icon with 3 dots or lines. App layouts can shift with updates, but the logout command remains in that menu. If you're in the middle of a transaction or reviewing orders, finish what you're doing and confirm everything before logging out to avoid interruptions. And if you use Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode, logging out won't remove those preferences. It simply ends your current session. The next time you open the app, you'll sign in again as usual. To recap, the best practice is to use the in-app log out from the home screen under More, and the alternate method is to fully close the app. Choose the one that fits your situation and stay secure every time you're done.